right, on today's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our smart contracts project. Let's have a look at what we're going to be going over today. Today, we're back inside of our Moccasin favorites creating project section of the module. We actually finished this module up. I didn't know that we got so far ahead. This is actually the end of it. Whatever I read yesterday, it was just these last two paragraphs here. I'll read all three of them. So, by using Moccasin, we can easily set up our project structure, compile our smart contracts, and deploy them to the blockchain with just a few simple commands. All we have to do was input our favorites contract from the SRC folder and use the favorites.deploy function to deploy our contract. With this knowledge, we have successfully created a Moccasin project, compiled and deployed our small contract using Moccasin CLI and scripting tools. CLI is a command line interface. If you didn't know that, so that one is done. Next one we're going to be starting is this one here, the Moccasin favorites deploying scripting. So in this section, we will go over the process of deploying and scripting on a different network using Moccasin. Now I'm just going to read the introduction. Tomorrow we'll dive right in and start going over everything that's going on in this module. Again, it's going to be read only, so bear with me as we get through this. But of course, I will keep you posted every step of the way. For now, it's Python Papi. You guys stay Gucci.